This video is different. In this video we're talking about United Token and the journey of United Token. Where are we right now and what happened during the last 1 week time, and the story is incredible. So if you don't know what is United Token, stay with the video. If you are one of the holders of United, stay with the video until the end. If you just want to know, you want to see where it is going, either you believe in it or not, stay with the video. This is a project that I really personally care about and I really want it to succeed. So stay with the video. First of all, I need to talk a little bit about our savior. A person who you don't know, a person who you have probably never seen, but if you are a United holder, he has been there for you more than you have been there for him, obviously because you don't know him. But this is a guy who has been actually part of our community already from the beginning. He was buying himself United when it was launching. He was buying himself a crypto card when the crypto card was coming out, and what turned out later also, unfortunately, it was not working in his home country, and he's from Netherlands. And well, unfortunately it didn't work in there, and later when the card program crashed, then he was very unhappy, and it actually got pretty heated a couple of weeks ago. Actually, we started talking that what is going on, because he was extremely frustrated, and I guess many of you guys also are. If you are here the first time and you're looking what is happening with United project right now, then check also out the other video what I did 2 weeks, 3 weeks back, and there has been now today some developments, and it involves this guy. His name is BTC Pat. I'm leaving the link down below. He's a very passionate guy. He's doing YouTube videos, and this is what I knew before, exposing scammers. What I did not know before is that this guy has a very good skill for developing smart contracts. And when I found out that what is his intentions and what he wants to do, what he wants to create and what he has created during past 1 year when he has built his own project, or maybe even a little bit more, we found that we have a lot of in common on the things what we want to achieve and what we want to do. And so we join hands. We found an agreement what is good for the community of his and the community of ours, you guys. And we found out that there is a lot to gain when we are gonna work together. And this amazing guy created us a smart contract. Smart contract what I promised that is gonna come out. I promised already half a year ago that it's gonna come out. And it's supposed to come through one exchange what we used to work together with. And this exchange is CoinSwap, and unfortunately it did not happen in there where it's supposed to happen, and it was getting delayed for unknown time. And today the contract is now finally out, and this guy created this contract for free. He did not ask any money for that. And you understand that these kind of guys who are gonna do something for you and for your community, for you guys, for free, we need to find, as a community, we need to find a way how to show our gratefulness for him. I'm gonna show how to launch the smart contract and how to work with this in the next video. It's gonna be a little bit more specific, and I'm gonna post it already today. But just the basics of this smart contract is very simple. When you have United and you have USDT, then you make an LP token in PancakeSwap, and then you can stake this LP token in this smart contract, and everybody wins. Every day there is a rewards what is coming out directly to your wallet, and you earn money. If you're the only person in the pool, then you earn all the money in the pool. If you are with 2 other guys, then the money is gonna be split into 3. If there is gonna be 100 people in the pool who is gonna participate, then the reward is gonna be smaller. However, the united liquidity in PancakeSwap will be higher. And this is the first step towards the things what we are doing until the new cards are coming out. And really big thanks for BTC Pat for coming and helping us out in these difficult times and in this difficult situation. I'm gonna link his YouTube channel below. And what we're gonna do, I want to show for you guys also what he is doing, what he has created, and how to benefit from that as a community. And in the next video, I'm also gonna talk a little bit how this smart contract is helping everybody, not only to stake united and earn the rewards themselves, but also to increase the price meanwhile when you are doing that. Check out also for the next video, and this is gonna be out already tomorrow morning. See you guys.